The 2026 Nordic Nomad is one of the most innovative motorhomes of its generation, designed to merge Scandinavian elegance with futuristic mobility and a focus on sustainable, off-grid living. And when you first see it, the impression is instant. This is not just another motorhome, this is a lifestyle reimagined. Its exterior has been carefully sculpted for aerodynamics, with a flowing roofline, flush panels, and an integrated solar array that covers almost the entire top surface, delivering clean energy silently throughout your journey. The body itself is constructed from lightweight composites and recycled aluminum, reducing overall weight without compromising strength, making it both eco-conscious and performance-oriented. LED matrix headlights blend into the streamlined nose, while at the rear, a sculpted light bar stretches the entire width of the vehicle, giving it a futuristic yet minimalist personality. Entering the Nomad feels like stepping into a premium Scandinavian residence rather than a vehicle, with interior design that draws inspiration from natural materials, warm neutral tones, and the calming simplicity of Nordic aesthetics. Every surface has been chosen with care, from pale oak cabinetry to wool blend upholstery and stone-textured countertops, creating a space that feels both modern and timeless. The lounge area is positioned strategically at the heart of the motorhome, featuring modular seating that slides, reclines, or rearranges into multiple configurations, allowing it to serve as a social hub, a media lounge, or even an extra sleeping zone. Hidden within the central console is a 50-inch OLED display that emerges quietly at the push of a button, transforming the lounge into a cinematic experience complete with surround sound audio and ambient LED lighting that adapts automatically to mood and time of day. Large panoramic windows surround the seating space, flooding it with natural light during the day and offering breathtaking views at night, while electrochromic glass technology lets you adjust opacity for privacy without needing blinds. Moving forward, the kitchen is a marvel of compact yet efficient design, equipped with dual induction cooktops, a convection oven, a refrigerator with AI-driven inventory management, and seamless cabinetry that conceals everything when not in use, preserving the uncluttered aesthetic. Even the sink doubles as a multi-purpose prep station with modular covers and built-in cutting surfaces, maximizing functionality in the smallest footprint. The bathroom has been designed with a spa-like ethos, offering a rainfall shower system with customizable water pressure, antibacterial stone tiles that self-clean using nanotechnology, and a compact yet luxurious vanity with integrated lighting. Heated floors and towel racks ensure comfort in colder climates, and a clever water recycling system purifies and reuses gray water, dramatically extending autonomy during off-grid stays. In the rear of the vehicle, the bedroom transforms travel into a retreat, with a full king-size adaptive mattress that molds to body shape, side-to-side panoramic windows that bring the outdoors in, and integrated blackout blinds for restful sleep. Above the bed, a skylight equipped with star view mode can project constellations or remain transparent for natural stargazing, a touch that reinforces the connection to nature. Storage solutions are discreet but abundant, with wardrobes that expand outward, under-bed compartments, and slimline cabinets engineered to minimize wasted space. Beyond interiors, the Nordic Nomad shines in functionality. Its exterior storage garage slides out electronically, large enough to house bicycles, camping gear, or even a foldable electric scooter. An integrated outdoor kitchen module extends from the side, featuring a grill, sink, and retractable countertop for open-air cooking, while an automatic awning provides shade and weather protection. The powertrain is a hybrid system, pairing a refined electric motor with a compact combustion engine that operates solely as a generator for long distances, ensuring smooth, silent performance during most drives. Regenerative braking further extends battery range, and solar roof integration allows the vehicle to recharge throughout the day, offering true independence from charging stations when traveling moderate distances. On the road, driving the Nordic Nomad is remarkably stress-free thanks to its adaptive suspension that continuously monitors terrain and adjusts ride height and stiffness in real time, ensuring stability whether crossing gravel trails or highways. Driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and a fully integrated 360-degree camera array, making parking and navigating tight spaces far easier than traditional RVs. Inside the cockpit, the driver is treated to a panoramic digital display with real-time navigation, power management, and environmental data, while haptic feedback controls embedded in the steering wheel minimize distractions. Safety is comprehensive, with emergency braking, collision detection, pedestrian recognition, and fire suppression systems integrated into both interior and engine compartments, giving complete peace of mind. Connectivity is another major focus, with 5G modules, satellite internet backup, and a deployable antenna ensuring constant high-speed connectivity for remote workers, digital nomads, or families who want uninterrupted streaming and communication. Smart home integration extends to every corner of the motorhome, lighting adjusts automatically to circadian rhythms, climate zones are individually adjustable, and voice or app controls can manage everything from entertainment systems to energy flow. Sustainability goes beyond solar power, with waste separation built into the kitchen, a composting module for organic matter, and ventilation systems that recycle heat energy to reduce consumption. For pet owners, the floor materials are scratch-resistant and easy to clean, and built-in feeding stations slide out neatly from the cabinetry, demonstrating that no detail has been overlooked. The Nordic Nomad is designed for year-round use, with high-grade insulation, dual-pane windows, and climate systems capable of maintaining steady interior comfort whether parked in Arctic frost or Mediterranean heat. Its quiet operation and smart energy management make it possible to remain off-grid for weeks at a time, something few motorhomes can claim without significant sacrifice in comfort. Outdoor adventurers will appreciate the reinforced roof rack for additional cargo or sporting equipment, as well as the retractable drone launch pad built into the rear for capturing aerial footage of journeys and landscapes. Ultimately, the 2026 Nordic Nomad is more than just a motorhome, it's a carefully balanced blend of comfort, sustainability, technology, and freedom. It answers the desires of modern travelers who refuse to choose between luxury and adventure, offering a sanctuary that feels like a premium residence while retaining the mobility to explore the most remote corners of the world. Every element, from the smallest drawer hinge to the intelligent energy management systems, reflects a dedication to quality and thoughtful design. It is not only a vehicle but also a vision of how the future of travel embraces responsibility for the planet while enhancing personal well-being, and in doing so, the Nordic Nomad firmly establishes itself as a benchmark for all motorhomes that will follow.